Good morning, this Wednesday, the 16th of March. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, yesterday, the local market was dragged down by mining stocks after iron ore futures on China's Dalian market dropped 7%, and the iron ore contract for April on the Singapore exchange dropped 9%. Several Asian markets were down 5 to 6% following further lockdowns to contain surging COVID cases in China. More than 50 million people in China have been placed under lockdown in an attempt to achieve the country's zero COVID strategy. On the ASX 200, materials and energy declined the most, closely followed by the tech sector. Meanwhile, financials closed with the most gains. The standout stock on the ASX 200 was Uniti Group UWL, jumping an impressive 27% before being placed into a trading halt. Now, this was amid speculation that the company is in takeover talks with Vocus Group, and the offer is looking to be in the region of $4 to $5. Meanwhile, Chalice Mining and Champion Iron declined the most. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Lake Resources, LKE, BHP Group, and Alchem, AKE. Now, US equities closed higher as a reading for wholesale inflation came in lighter than expected. The S&P 500 rose for its first gain in 4 days, closing more than 2% higher. The Dow Jones up 1.8% or just under 600 points, while the Nasdaq jumped 2.9%. Now, looking to the day ahead, following the US, the SPY futures are suggesting the local market will rise 0.58% at the open this morning. Now, in commodities, oil has dropped a further 6.7%, now trading just under $96 and is now more than 25% below a recent 14-year high of $130.50 that it reached last week. Now, the new wave of COVID cases in China has also caused worries of China's demand. Gold is down to $1,917 an ounce after US Treasury yields surged past 2% as investors await for an upcoming rate hike from the Fed. And seaborne iron ore is 3.6% lower at $144 a ton. Now, some companies that are going ex-dividend today include Data3, that's DTL, Ingham's Group, ING, and Money3 Corporation, MNY. Now, to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter have a speculative buy rating on Boss Energy, BOE, following the company reporting its half-year results. Now, Bell Potter's valuation has been increased from $3.47 to $3.57 per share, driven by increases to Bell Potter's uranium price outlook. Now, uranium markets are recovering from a cyclical low, with limited near-term supply capacity and further demand upside driven by decarbonisation efforts. The company has opportunities to gain exposure in these areas. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Aussie Broadband, that's ABB, indicating that the price may rise from the close of $5.34 to the range of $6.10 to $6.30 over 58 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.